Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create galaxy text effect in CapCut PC. So what you need to do first is just write the text that you want to. Here I've already write mine, and after that here you can click on the text, and under the basic you can scroll down until you find the transform. Add a keyframe in here at the start and at the middle like this. Now adjust the scale. I'm going to have a zoom in effect, so I'm going to make the size bigger like this. And after that, here create a compound clip. So select these two, the background and also the text, click on it and choose to create a compound clip. So after the compound clip is added or created, you can just add this galaxy as the overlay. So drag it to the top of the text video and don't forget to adjust the length. And after that, here I'm going to rotate the size like this. Sorry, rotate the galaxy picture like this until it cover all of the text. Now you can go to blend first and select the darken mode, this one. And now add a keyframe at the position is in here at the start, and let's move it. Let's move the sorry, you need to add a keyframe at the transform. So make sure that it cover all of the text like this, and you can just move forward, and here you can drag change the position of the galaxy to have a moving effect on. So that's it. This is the result. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.